alai di jolo di saluhuna masih haholongan situtu mahamu ai dihukubi haholongan ni rohaido gudang dosa.
Slow down, we miss a page if we run about. I'll be ready when the pieces fall tonight. If they fall again, it's an honor to wait here. Thrown out in the wreckage, didn't want this. Cycling in paces, you gathered all the wreckage and you made this safe. And something about you stands out. Something.
Di pasu-pasu jala diramoti Tuhan di bata mahamu. Disondakon Tuhan di bata mabuhina Tuhamu jala asima rohana midahamu. Didopakon Tuhan di bata mabuhina Tuhamu jala di pasorhon madamena tutod di munabe. Amen.